Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you exercise 4.3 in that first question. Find the roots of following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. So you learned the factorization method and you might have learned the quadratic formula method also, and method of completing square. This is also the easy method. So let us start. So I'll start with the first question. So the first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 इक्वल्स टू 0. सो यहाँ पर हमारे ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है, इसको आपको कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड से इसका रूट निकालना है. सो वी लेट अस राइट द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पर मैं स्टेप वाइज आपको बताऊंगी. सो स्टेप 1 क्या है करना है आपको, जो भी स्क्वायर है हाईएस्ट पावर वो x⁻² आएगा, तो इसका कोएफिशिएंट हमको क्या करना है, एलिमिनेट करना है. तो इसको हमको एलिमिनेट करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको फुल इक्वेशन को हमको 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड द होल इक्वेशन बाय 2 इन ऑर्डर टू एलिमिनेट दिस 2. सो वी विल डिवाइड. सो लेट अस नेम दिस एज 1. सो डिवाइड 1 बाय इक्वेशन 1 बाय 2. सो इट विल बी 2x स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 2 माइनस 7x divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equals to 0. So this first step. So what will get here, 2 will get cancelled. So we have to make, that is what, we have to make this term, that is x square, free from the quotient. So quotient will be what, 1 here. So this 2 other than 1, that quotient we have to make free. Minus 7x upon 2, and this is 3 by 2 equals to 0. So this is the first step. Now the second step. So before the second step, you can send this constant term that side. So x square minus 7x divided by 2 equals to plus 3 by 2 will be minus 3 by 2 if we are shifting to this side. Now in second step, what we have to do, you have to add the square of half of quotient of x. Remember, you have to add the square of what? Square of half of quotient of x on both the sides. Remember, whatever you have to do, subtract, add, multiply or divide, you have to do the operations on both the sides. So add the square of what? You can put here comma. Square of half of quotient of x on both the sides. So what is quotient of x here? Minus 7 by 2. So add the square of half of quotient of x. So we'll do this first. So we'll find out the half of square of quotient of x. So half of quotient of x is what here? Minus 7 by 2. So we'll find out this. So half of minus 7 by 2. So that is minus 7 by 4. So add the square of half of quotient of x. So quotient of x is minus 7 by 2. So that you have to square. So its square will be what? Just square it. So you got what? The square of half of quotient of x. So that you have to add on both the sides. So this is our required square. So we'll add on both sides. So add square of, so square we are done. Square of what we are done? Half of quotient of x. Half of quotient of x is 7 by 2. That is minus 7 by 2. So that we are going to add on both the sides. Equals to, this is minus 3 by 2 plus, because we are going to add this, by 2. Now solve this. So x square minus 7 by 2x. So I'll keep this as it is because I'm going to use here identity. That is what completing the square method. Equals to, but this side you have to solve. Minus 3 by 2. So this will be, when you are squaring anything, the answer will be positive. 7 minus 7 into minus 7 will be 49. 4 into 4 is 16. So this will be what? X minus 7 by 4 whole square. So here you can verify this. This is identity what? X minus y or a minus b the whole square. So here a is here x and b is here 7 by 4. So you can verify this. So this completes the square. So equals to solve this. 16 is a cross multiplication you can do here. So 16 is 48, minus plus is minus, plus 49 to the it is 98, then 16 to the 32, or you can find the LCM. You can do like that also. So x minus 7 by 4 the whole square will be as it is. Solve this. So minus 48 plus 98 is 50. So reduce this to the lowest form. X minus 7 by 4 the whole square. So this is will be 25 upon 16 it will be. So now we are going to find out the roots. Roots is nothing but what? The value of x. So we'll send this square that side. X minus 7 by 4. So it will be what? Square root of 25 by 16. So this implies x minus 7 by 4 is equals to plus or minus 5 divided by square root of 16 is 4. So just we'll equate this x minus 7 by 4 once to the plus 5 by 4 and once to the minus 5 by 4. So x minus 7 by 4 equals to plus 5 by 4 and then x minus 7 by 4 equals to minus 5 by 4. And then you can solve this simple equation for x. So x equals to 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4, then that side will be plus 7 by 4. So 4 will be the LCM. 7 plus 5 or 5 plus 7 is 12. So x equals to 3 here. So this is one of the root of given quadratic equation. Similarly, x equals to minus 5 by 4. We'll send this that side. So it will be plus 7 by 4. X equals to 4 is LCM. So minus 5 plus 7. It will be 2 here. So solve for x here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So x equals to 3 and x equals to half. These two are the roots of quadratic.